What's up, everybody? So just the other day I was on the Apple Vision Pro App Store and I happened to notice that finally, after over a year, YouTube has a dedicated Apple Vision Pro app. So figured what better topic for a video and to see what this is all about. So go ahead and go back, close that out. Let's open it up and see what it's like. Not a great start. Oh, looks like that was on me. All right, so let's go home. Pretty responsive. It's got everything you need and expect from the YouTube app. Kind of a little shortcut. Looks like this is gonna be like a standard Vision Pro thing where you're gonna have kind of like on the App Store a little menu over to the side here. Should be okay. It works right now as far as the Vision Pro and like being able to like resize things. Oh, looks like that window. Pretty small. Looks like they limit it. See what happens if I take it off the wall. Wow, they really don't want you making this app that big, do they? Let's see what they got under your channel settings here. Doesn't look like you're able to go live from the Vision Pro yet. Looks like you can just see your history, your watch later, any of your playlists. I gotta say, this sucks. I don't like any of this. I wonder if there's gonna be like a dedicated studio app eventually. Put it back on the wall since you can't make it any bigger. Let's see if it gets any bigger. Let's see what happens with spatial. I am not watching the Backstreet Boys at the Sphere. Not interested in that. Let's see a 360. This is apparently a 360 video. I gotta say, this is pretty cool. I feel like I'm about to fall over, being that I'm standing up. So that's 360 videos on Apple Vision Pro. That's pretty cool. I cannot watch this any longer. I'm gonna fall over. That was making me pretty dizzy. If you're sitting down, I could imagine that being a lot better. Let's go ahead and try that. Excuse the mess. Put it on the wall.
I'm the guy who jumped in space.
So let's head to the.
I wanted to be the first human outside of an aircraft breaking the sound barrier.
No, apparently this isn't a 3D or a
Now, this
360
way
video.
twice the weight that I normally have, and it's very difficult to do a perfect.
Thought it was under spatial. Yeah, this is a lot better to watch when you're sitting down. I don't feel like I'm about to fall over now. Oh, you can see where they stitched it together. They've got to come up with a solution for that. That's a little jarring. I'm driving with it. It's kind of crazy how not fast that feels. Like, I know there's no way, but it almost feels like I drive faster than that on the freeway. I don't know what I'm doing now, but it's like I'm able to like focus in on by pinching. Allows me to kind of focus. It's a pretty cool little feature. See what Mark's stream looks like on here.
Right. Hi, Boron Planet. Let's have a look.
Can we talk to him? Doesn't look like we can chat. Oh, did I just find the chat?
I just don't think they can improve anything because of how they worked the engine out back in 2016.
Right.
Are we fighting over Cyberpunk? Who wants a scrap?
I can't play Cyberpunk because it's first person. I'd end up being
You
sick.
played Cyberpunk, boy.
So that's Mark's channel. Everybody should check him out. Just getting started, but his channel is definitely worth subscribing to if you're not already. Let's go back. Yeah, looks like that's everything. Settings. I really don't like that you can't go live from this thing yet. That doesn't make any sense to me. All right, but that's the new dedicated YouTube app.